Hello everyone, it's Republic of Gamers and Nikita here, and we've got a review for you today. It's about a new model in our famous series of slim and light gaming laptops. During the recent CES 2024 event, our brand unveiled a lot of new products including the ROG Zephyrus G16, so let's get started. The ROG Zephyrus G16 has been thoroughly revised both inside and outside for the year 2024. It featured a brand new aluminum alloy chassis manufactured with an 8-step process, including sandblasting, polishing and anodizing. The material is optimal in terms of weight and strength. Thanks to the rigid chassis, a larger edge-to-edge keyboard could be implemented. The integrated speakers have become 25% larger than in the previous model and can reproduce low frequencies down to 100 Hz, while the maximum volume is now 47% higher. The new laptop also features larger keys and larger touchpad, making it easier for you to type and control. The laptop we're reviewing today is colored platinum white. It's a brand new color, bright and beautiful, producing the impression of a sophisticated and luxurious product. The same laptop is available in the familiar Eclipse Gray version, which is a dark, reserved and stylish color. The 2024 Zephyrus G16 sports beautiful slash lighting on its lid. An array of LED goes across the lid diagonally. You can fine-tune its color and dynamic effects to make your laptop truly unique. The G16 is as thin as 1.49 centimeters and its weight is only 1.85 kilos. It's impressively powerful for such a light and compact form factor. In its maximum version, the Zephyrus G16 comes with an Intel Core Ultra 9 185H processor that features a built-in NPU. And with the flagship NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 laptop GPU, there is up to 32 GB of RAM, which is LPDDR5X clocked at 7467 MHz. The maximum SSD storage capacity is 2x2 TB using M2 PCI Express 4.0 mode. Of course, you can expect such a mighty configuration to perform very well in games and content creation apps. Thanks to the Omniverse platform and Stable Diffusion, you can generate images right on the laptop without having to wait for your turn on cloud services. With those AI technologies, video and 3D rendering is done twice as fast while extending the battery life. And thanks to AI acceleration, the laptop is going to better cope with content creation apps as well as with the heavy games. Now, what about the display? It's a really important part of any laptop. Well, this year ROG laptops have got OLED displays. Yes, it means you can have a gaming OLED laptop. The Zephyrus G16 and the 2024 G14 model are the first models in the gaming ROG series to be equipped with OLED displays. The display resolution here is 2.5K and the refresh rate is 240 Hz, so you can expect high-quality visuals in dynamic games. Thanks to our cooperation with Samsung and NVIDIA, this OLED panel has excellent gaming specs and support G-Sync for smooth gameplay at different frame rates. ROG AMOLED displays are in fact designed for gamers. The aspect ratio is 16:10, the contrast ratio is as high as 1,000,000:1, and the display is certified as VISA Display HDR to Black 500. The OLED technologies ensures deep blacks, so HDR content looks perfect on this display. Thanks to the color gamut of 100% DCI-P3 and high color accuracy, Delta E is less than 1. The laptop is also good for working with multimedia content. Gamers will appreciate the extremely low response time of only 0.2 milliseconds gray to gray, which means you will have clear visuals without any unwanted artifacts in your games. Of course, the laptop is well cooled. Cooling is extremely important for ultra-slim gaming machines, so the G16 comes with an improved version of ROG intelligent cooling technology. It uses second-generation arc-flow fans and a highly efficient liquid metal thermal interface for the CPU. A third fan can be additionally used to direct hot air from the GPU and other components towards the heat sinks and out of the chassis. Our G16 is configured with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 laptop GPU, and its powerful components are cooled by a vapor chamber and 2 fans. The laptop has stereo speakers with a smart amplifier, supports Dolby Atmos and 2-way AI noise cancellation. The Zephyrus G16 has always been defined by its portability, with a 90 watts per hour battery that supports fast charging from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes and with support for Wi-Fi 6E wireless networking. The Zephyrus G16 is ultimate gaming and productivity machine for those on the move. Now let's check out the input-output ports. On the right we have an ASUS Slim Power Jack, an HDMI 2.1 and Thunderbolt 4 Type-C with DisplayPort 2.1 and Power Delivery 3.0. Next to them is USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A and an audio combo jack. On the other side there are USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C which supports DisplayPort 1.4 and Power Delivery 3.0. One more USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A and an SD card reader. So what's the end result? The laptop's highs include its aluminum alloy chassis with a stunning new design, slash lighting on the lid, new platinum white color, modern AI-enabled CPU, powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series GPU, efficient cooling, and of course its fast, bright and awesome ROG Zephyrus OLED display. And now I'm going to say goodbye to you and thanks for watching. This is Nikita and Republic of Gamers. Stay tuned. As always, we have a lot of exciting things in store for you. See you soon.